Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum Guide. Product Manager, Product Owner, Program Manager, and Project Manager. These four roles often sound similar, and that's exactly why so many people get confused. Who defines the vision? Who manages the backlog? Who coordinates across teams? And who makes sure delivery happens on time? In this video, we'll break down all four roles in simple language, explain what each one does when they come into the picture, and what happens if one of them is missing. The easiest way to understand these roles is to imagine launching a new mobile app. The product manager decides what product should be built and why. The product owner decides what the team should build next. The program manager ensures multiple connected efforts move together smoothly, and the project manager ensures specific work get delivered on time, within scope, and with proper coordination. Same product journey, different responsibilities. Let's start with the product manager. A product manager is responsible for the product vision, customer value, and business outcomes. They ask questions like, what problem are we solving? Who is the customer? What features create the most value? And how does this product help the business grow? They usually come in early, when the idea is being shaped, and they stay involved throughout the life cycle, guiding direction and priorities at a strategic level. If the product manager is missing, the team may still build features, but they risk building the wrong product or solving the wrong problem. Next is the product owner. A product owner is responsible for maximizing value for the delivery team by managing the product backlog. They work closely with developers, refine user stories, clarify acceptance criteria, prioritize sprint work, and make sure the team always knows what to build next. They usually come into the picture when the product vision needs to be translated into clear, actionable work for the Scrum team. If the product owner is missing, priorities can consistently shift, requirements stay unclear, and sprints lose focus. Now let's talk about the project manager. A project manager focuses on planning, coordination, timelines, dependencies, risks, budget, and execution of a specific initiative. They ask practical questions like, what is the timeline? What are the risks? Who is dependent on whom? And are we on track? They usually come in when there is a defined project with clear scope, milestone, and deadlines. If the project manager is missing, delivery can become chaotic. Timelines may slip, and risks often go unmanaged. Finally, the program manager. A program manager manages multiple related projects or teams that must work together towards a larger business goal. Think of them as the person connecting the dots. For example, one team builds the app, another handles payments, another manages security, and another works on the marketing integration. The program manager ensures all these moving parts stay aligned and blend together. They come into the picture when there are multiple interconnected projects or cross-functional work streams. If the program manager is missing, teams may deliver their parts successfully, but the overall business outcome can fail because the pieces don't fit together. So what happens if one of these roles is missing? No product manager, you may build fast but build the wrong thing. No product owner, the team may work hard but without clarity or proper priority. No project manager, the work may start but deadlines, risks, and coordination fall apart. No program manager, projects may succeed individually but the larger business goal fails. Each role solves a different problem, and together they create clarity from strategy to execution. Here's the simplest way to remember it. The product manager owns the why and the what at a strategic level. The product owner owns the what next for the Scrum team. The project manager owns the how and when for a specific initiative. And the program manager owns alignment across multiple related efforts. Different titles, different responsibilities, but when used well together, they turn ideas into successful outcomes. Thank you for watching. I hope this video clarified the ambiguity around these four similar looking but very different roles.